T with the falling tone. You see the falling tone right there, right? T. It means at, that, which, who. That's the textbook definition, but in practice, I've discovered, at least for my mind, what works best for me is to think of it as that is, which is, or who is. Like ahan tea pet, the food that's really hot, or rotireo, it's the car that is fast. Okay, so that is, which is, who is. T, and then T is falling, D flat tone, and then your polite particles at the end.
ที่ขอให้มีวันที่ดี
ที่มีวันที่ดี
T falling tone means that is, which is, who is.
ที่
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 And you will use this word a lot. A lot. It's like a glue. It holds a lot of stuff together. Take a look at it one more time. T. That is at, that, which, or who. And that is, which is, and who is. Hey, check out my Skillshare class. Got lots of full lessons on there.